This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Dream11 and signing in. Select the match and enter the team editor. Pick your primary Roman 11 focusing on balance between batsmen, bowlers, and all-rounders. Once done, look for the backup or substitute option next to each selected player. That's where you assign alternates. Make sure to identify realistic backups for each role because backups only replace unavailable players. This step prevents last-minute score drops and keeps your contest entries competitive. Now you assign backups and set their priority. Tap a chosen player and add 1 to 3 backup candidates. You should rank them by likelihood to play, current form, and favorable matchups because Dream11 will pick the highest priority available replacement automatically. Once assigned, save your lineup and double-check the backup order. Rearrange priorities if conditions change before lock. This careful prioritization reduces risk and ensures replacements align with your strategy. Finish by locking your team before the match deadline and keep monitoring playing Roman 11 updates up to toss. If a starter is ruled out, Dream11 replaces them with the highest priority backup. Make sure you saved and prioritized correctly. If a backup does not activate, first confirm the candidate's availability and your backup order, then check app notifications and contest rules. If things still go wrong, capture screenshots of your lineup and results, and contact Dream11 support for a resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.